Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi, and in today's video I'm going to be giving us 8 reasons why you need to start affiliate marketing business, either as a full-time or for side hustle. And you need to watch this video to the end. Do not miss any part. Okay, without any further ado, let's just dive straight to the main tutorials for today. If you're hearing affiliate marketing for the first time, affiliate marketing is simply selling other people's products in exchange of a commission. This is a way to get a, a unique link to promote. So anyone that clicks on this unique link, then you get a commission from the company. There are different affiliate programs you can enroll into, but the most popular one is the Amazon affiliate program, which I'm going to be showing us now in this video.
One of the
Okay.
ways you can be an affiliate marketer is you can sign up for Amazon.com and sell products on Amazon. Okay. And you will get a particular link when you sign up for it. And this is the link you get. You can also get you can get a text, right? And you can get the link. And this is the link here. If you want the full link to put on bit.ly.com, you can get the full link and customize on bit.ly.com. I have a video on that, okay? But we're not going to do that. We want a short link, and anybody that purchased this link, right? You promote it. Anybody that purchased this link, you can put it in your description too on YouTube. I'm going to be showing us an example. So anyone that purchases this link, you get a commission from Amazon. And the good thing about Amazon is that they have top deals for the day. So even if you don't have a product to sell, you can just go to your top list and you check this. So let's open this, and these are one of the top stuff they have. I can click on it and decide to put in I can get images. Okay, if you want a blog, you can put this image link generator. You can put it on your blog. Okay, if you want it large, if you want it medium and small. Okay, but we're not going to be doing that in this video today. So if you want text and image, you get this. This for your blog. If you want to create a blog, I know I owe you a video on that. Okay, how to build a side blog. That video is still coming. Okay, so you send a text like this. So this text, you start promoting it. You can decide to start a blog post. Okay, create a blog, register a domain name and create your blog. Start creating your blog. Okay, and this is my blog here, and I wrote about this Canon camera. Okay, and always put a disclaimer in any of your blogs. Okay, and from there, anybody, you can make sales from here. Amazon is going to give you a commission. So if you click on buy now, you're going to get this. It's going to redirect you to Amazon. Okay, let's do an example. Can you see? It's going to redirect you to Amazon. So, and another way again is to go on Medium. If you don't have a Medium account, or you don't want a website, you don't have the large money to start building a website, okay, you can come to Medium and create an account with Medium and start promoting your blog. You can be a blogger. You can this is my account, and I've written some stuff recently. I want to start being um consistent on my blog. Okay, so I wrote 10 tips for choosing the perfect domain name. Okay, so the link will be in the description box, and you can please follow me on my Medium for more amazing posts. So this is another blog that I wrote on this camera. This camera is I love it so much, but I don't even have a camera right now, but I love this camera so much. Okay, and this is how to create a blog. It's so easy to use. If you want me to do another video on Medium, let me know in the comment section. This is another way to be a blogger. Okay, so let's continue with the tutorials. Thank you.
So as an affiliate marketer, I'm going to promote my link, and Amazon has made it easy for millions of us that are under Amazon program, affiliate program, to make money. Okay, so Amazon gives a unique link to individuals, millions of individuals, and they promote. So who is to buy your products? You can sell products like camera, toys, accessories, clothing, anything you want to look for, even YouTube accessories, YouTube gadgets. Okay, YouTube, like this mic, I got it from Amazon. Okay, if you need this mic that I'm using and you like it, the link is in the description box. If you use that link to purchase this mic, Amazon will pay me a commission because I have a unique link with Amazon. So that's how it works. So Amazon is happy that people are enrolling in the affiliate program, and me as an affiliate person, I'm also happy because the buyers are also purchasing the products. So it's a win-win. Everybody is happy. You go online, you buy what you want to buy using my unique link, and I make a commission for the day. So as you can see, it's very interesting. But I said in my other video, hard work, persistency, consistency is very important. Okay. And I would advise you to have a blog, or yeah, I would advise you to have a blog if you're an Amazon or affiliate person. Okay. So without any further ado, let's just start my point. My number one point is you don't need any products. I don't see the products. I only enroll, right? And I get the link, I get the pictures, and I promote the pictures. I put the pictures on my blog, or I put the pictures on my Facebook page, and I send it out to people. The people buying it, they don't have any business with me. I don't know them. Okay? And if anybody uses my link or has my email, because I have an email list. Okay, I send weekly emails to people that sign up for my products. Okay, so if you need to sign up for my product, there's going to be a link in the description. Sign up for my newsletter weekly. Okay, to be the first person to get my blog. Number two point is you don't need to stock anything. I don't need to stock any products in my house or in anywhere. You don't need it. The owner of the link, they are the one that has that they want to do all that. Like if anybody purchase anything, that they want to go to their storage to get the product and to send to my buyer. I don't have any business stocking anything. Then number three, no risks at all. I'm not under any risks to do anything. All I need to do is just promote the link. No risks that, oh, is this product, is it, how am I going to use this product? How am I going to send this product to this person? How is the person going to contact me? I don't have any, it has no risks at all you need to do is just to promote, do your job and promote the link and get your money. My number four point is it runs like an autopilot. Like if I go on vacation, my business is still going on. If I'm sleeping, my business is going on because the link is there. If you have the link on your, you created the link, or you have your landing page or your blog, the link is there. Anybody can go to your blog, or you can do a very strong SEO. If it's on Google search, people, it will come up on Google, and voila, you would see people purchasing your products without even knowing them. They don't even need to know you. So this takes me to the next one, which is anonymous. You don't have to, they don't have to know the person selling the product. All I need to do is I've already created a blog, or I've already created a write up, a sales post for you to look at. If you like it, you click on my link and you buy it. My number six point is growth. As you start your affiliate marketing journey, you will see the growth. You will see where you're lacking and where you're meant to adjust yourself. Okay. And this is not a quick rich program. Okay. So nobody should come for me. You need to work hard to make your money, right? So you're going to see the growth along the line, and do not give up. Be consistent with it, and you'll find, or you will see the results. Okay. Then my number seven is You can work anywhere, no matter where you are, no matter your country, is you can easily work anywhere. No one is going to disturb you. You're kind of your own boss. So all you just need to do is you just have to have principles. You have to have plans. You have to know what you're doing. You have to be up to date. You have to know the latest deals. You have to know when to do your discount sales. When for example Amazon, they have Prime Day, they have Black Friday. You have to be consistent. You have to see all that so that you can put it into your own blog or you can put it into your own write up. Okay. And the final one, which is number 8, is I'm not anybody or any complaints help desk. Nobody is coming to me for help. Nobody is coming to me for complaint, or any complaint they have, or even if they reach out to me, I will tell them to go to the company they bought the stuff from and complain to them. So the complaint, for example, Amazon have an help desk, they have a customer service, they were the one to be contacted, not me. And if you come to me and if I want to help, it's not a must, right? I can give you a phone number to contact if the particular program or the particular, for example, Amazon, if they have a number to contact, I will give it to you to contact them. You don't come to me. All I needed to do, or all I did, was just to promote their products. Okay. So I hope you gained something from these tips. And let me know in the comment section, are you going to start your affiliate program business? So this takes me to my online course. If you want to join, I have a membership online course for affiliate marketing. It's called Tech Mommy Premium School. So if this is what you want, the link is going to be in the description or in the pin section, and I'm going to put it also inside this video for you to see it. If it's something you want to join my affiliate programming, my affiliate membership program, then why not sign up and let's get started with you. Okay. Without any further ado, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you gained 1 or 2 things from it. Drop your comments in the comment section and let's interact. And thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video. Please share it out. Let's grow. Please. I'm begging. I'm not doing shakara. I'm begging. Let us grow. Please share this video so that people will know what they are missing in with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the best way to make money online. Okay, Bikonu. Thank you. So see you in my next video. Bye for now.